Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This is our pattern, Kwan-ge Hyung. We're working with the second section of the pattern. Again, we are naming each skill, each technique as we go. We'll review the first section and then we will continue on into the second. Now, something we're going to see in Kwan-ge Hyung are some palm heel techniques, some pressing techniques. We'll be using this form of palm heel. It's called the bear paw. I've got, instead of having my fingers and thumb extended this way, I'm going to fold them in like that. So it makes something like a bear paw shape. I'll still have my hand pulled back at my wrist this way. But instead of this, we're going to be doing this. All right, we'll start by reviewing the first section. Parallel ready stance, twin arc hands high. Twin outward knife hands. Closed ready stance A. Pressing upset punch. Pressing upset punch. Hooking block. Double knife hand block low. Hooking block. Double knife hand block low. Knife hand guarding block. Knife hand guarding block. Now that takes us to the end of the first section. To move into the second section, I'm going to take my left foot, step across in front of my right, pivot around this way, then I'm stepping back with my right foot to make a front stance, and pressing palm heel upset with my right hand. Then I'm going to step through into a front stance, pressing palm heel upset with my left this time. Then, both hands open in knife hands up here over my head. Right hand is crossed in front of the left. I'm going to step up into a closed stance with my left foot. Low knife hand strike. My right hand is striking into my left palm. And we're pulling into a cup and saucer position here. And side kick, coming down into an L stance. Grab, pull, and strike. A reverse knife hand strike. Then I'm sliding my left foot back into a closed stance, up and over for a downward hammer fist strike. I'm looking off to my right, cup and saucer, side kick, L stance, grab, pull, strike, reverse knife hand strike you. Coming in, and downward hammer fist strike. That takes us to the end of the second section. Now, with that pressing palm heel upset, to look at it from the front, this is what's going on. Up and through this way. My elbow is bent. I'm bringing it up about mid-chest high. Again, here, just out into a front stance, pressing palm heel upset. I don't want it floating up and out away from me. Right there is fine. With that low knife hand strike, we're starting here. My left hand is performing a trap as my right hand strikes in. My left hand is scooping through, trapping an arm or a leg as my right hand strikes into it here. So edge of my hand here is coming into my palm here. With this one, start fairly slowly and then speed up at the end. If I go full speed from here, that can be embarrassing. I could miss. So, yeah, this one, slowly, 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 speed up at the end. All right, let's have one more look at that. And we will start at the very beginning of the pattern and take it all the way through to the end of the second section. So, parallel ready stance, twin arc hands on. Twin outward knife hands. Closed ready stance A. Pressing upset punch. Pressing upset punch. Hooking block. Double knife hand block low. Hooking block. Double knife hand block low. Knife hand guarding block. Knife hand guarding block. That takes us to the end of the first section. Now for the second. Pressing palm heel upset. Pressing palm heel upset. Knife hand strike low. Cup and saucer. Side kick, side kick. Inverted knife hand strike. Downward hammer fist. Cup and saucer. Side kick, side kick. Inverted knife hand strike. Downward hammer fist. Back to ready. Kyunai. And that is the second section of Kwan-Ge Hyung, naming each skill, each technique. Thank you for joining me.